Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here and I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I think it's from Etsy. Yes it is, yay! Alright, so I ordered a few things. This is for my traveler's notebook. I ordered a little pin loop, so that's what this is. It's super easy to make. It's just a clip and then it has an elastic on it so that you can put a pin in the elastic. And this one was rose gold and I thought that was cute. I don't have any rose gold clips and it was not expensive at all, so I just added that on. But again, that would be super easy to make yourself. This is the place that I got it. It's under the rowantrees.com. And I know I got it on Etsy, but it's under the rowantrees.etsy.com. And that's it. And I will try to remember to link it below. If I forget, please kindly remind me. And then I also got this unicorn washi just because, well, it's unicorn washi. Little rainbow tail and mane. It's adorable. So I got that. And then I also got this Little Frog Stationery Series. Is this called a compass? I don't remember what this is called. But I thought that this would be good to make circles in my bullet journal or in whatever. Kind of fun. And it was very inexpensive, so I got that so I can play. And then I found these wood-like Post-its. Do not need. Added them on. Yeah. No real explanation. So that's what I got. So thanks for watching, guys, and kind of an eclectic group of stuff, but thanks for watching. Bye-bye.